Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 4.2 of Geometry 1 Math Part 1. Part 2, Part 3 is available here, as well as solution PowerPoints or the full course suite. If you want to order the full course suite of Geometry 1, you can get that. And quizzes, tutoring, tests, worksheets, class sheets. 4.2 Angle Measures of Triangles. We have a 34-point skill sheet here for classwork. Then we got a 26-point notebook sheet. Today, teachers, your bell work is here today. Find the image of the point using the translation of x minus 2, y plus 4 for this here. Find the image of the point. And same thing down here for this one too. -3, -1. Give your students 4 minutes to do this. Okay, welcome back. For our solution PowerPoint for bell work, this would be our new point here with our translation, -2, +4, and then here would be -5, +3 for our bottom point here. Okay, so the diagram below shows that when you tear the corners off of any triangle, you can place the angles together to form a straight angle. So in theorem 4.1, triangle sum theorem, words, the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. So for example 1, find angle measure. Given angle A is 43, angle B is 85. What's the measure of angle C here? So we know this much, and now we're going to solve for angle C, 43 and 85. So solving for angle C, we get 180 minus 128, and we get 52 degrees here for angle C. So measure of angle C has a measure of 52 degrees. So, okay, we checked our solution too. We're very careful. Our guided practice here, number 1, find a measure of angle A, students, and then find a measure here of angle C for this one, students. Okay, our solution PowerPoint here. Up here, a measure of angle A is 65 degrees using our triangle sum measure theorem. And then down here, angle C would be 50 degrees. We know this is a 90 here, a 90 here too. Okay, a corollary to a theorem is a statement that can be proved easily using the theorem. The corollary below follows from the triangle sum theorem. Corollary here to the triangle sum. The acute angles of a right triangle are complementary. These are complementary. If now this is a right triangle. If triangle ABC, in triangle, if measure C is 90, then measure A plus measure B equals 92. Excuse me. Students, in your own words, define corollary and interior angles here. Okay, example 2, ABC and ABD are right triangles. Suppose the measure of ABD equals 35. So ABD is 35 here. Okay. Find the measure of DAB. So DAB, what would DAB be? We use this here. We know that DAB and ABD must equal 90. So we do a little algebra here, and we find out that DAB must equal 55 degrees. And then the measure of BCD, so BCD, find the measure of that angle. We know that BCD has got to equal 90 because we have a 90-degree angle here. Corollary to the triangle sum theory, the measure of DAB DAB plus angle BCD equals 90. We know that here. So 55 plus BCD equals 90. BCD, so 55, we know that that would equal a 90 degree there. So the measure of BCD, 35 plus 55 would be 90, since we know this is a 90 down here too. Okay, so we get to practice this now. Find a measure of angle B, what would that be? And then up here, find a measure of angle 1. Students, that's your independent practice there. Go ahead and do that now. And then we'll run our solution PowerPoint here. So for angle 1, for this one up here rather, the measure of angle B would be 75 up here. And then the measure of angle 1 would be 37 here. 37.43 would be a 90 plus, or rather 80, then 80 plus 100. So that would be that one. That is part 1, lesson 4.2. Part 2, part 3 here. Thank you very much.